All right, so we're going to look at 15 and 8/10 times 2 and 4/10. All right, so once again, let's just round to the nearest whole number. Okay, so if we're looking at 15 and 8/10, oops, we're looking at 15 and 8/10, that's about 16. 2 and 4/10, that's about 2. All right, and remember, we're getting that because we're looking at our tenths place, and that's kind of helping us get there. So if we're looking at 15 and 8/10, we're talking about somewhere between 15 and 16. If this is 15 and 5/10, which is half, 15 and 8/10 is somewhere over here. So it's closer to 16. That's why we got 16. And then 2 and 4/10 is somewhere between 2 and 3. If here's 2 and 5/10, then 2 and 4/10 is over here, which is closer to 2. So if we got an estimate, 16 times 2, 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So our estimate is somewhere around 32. Now our real answer, let's see how close it is to 32. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Second line, ones place, a 0. 2 times 8 is 16. And carry that 1. And remember, you can cross these numbers out if it makes it easier to read. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 equals 11. And then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 equals 3. So let me add all that together. And remember, I have 2 decimal places in my problem, so I need 2 decimal places in my product. So it looks like my answer is 37 and 92 hundredths. Not that far off from 32. Let's go ahead and see if they got the same thing that we did. So on their number lines, they decided 15 and 8/10 was closer to 16. 2 and 4/10 was closer to 2. So they did 16 times 2 and got 32. And then when they did the actual math, they did 15 and 8/10 times 2 and 4/10, and indeed got the same product as we did, 32 or 37 and 92 hundredths. So estimation helps us decide if like an answer is somewhere in that area, right? And estimation is like your best friend for eliminating bad answers, because you can use estimation to decide if there are answers that are completely unreasonable. All right, so use estimation to help you out. Estimation should be making your life easier in math. It's less of a skill that you need to use independently, and it's more of a skill that just helps you in everyday life, and especially on tests with eliminating bad answers. All right, so thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you when we see you. Have a good one. Bye.